Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can save the radio station and add it to the number of your radio dashboard. And now I'm in the Honda 7 Accord. So in the first step we have to select the frequency, and now you can click on the scan repeat to scan every frequency for a few seconds. You can also click on the RDM button that's gonna find the strongest radio station, or change the frequency manually by clicking the right on or the left arrow on this button. So I'm always using the scan repeat. I'm looking for my station, and when I see this the station that I want to add it to the number, like this one, just hold the number. And as you can see now, the radio station are accessed to the number 3 button. Basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.